This is pin on disk monitor. In this we have some attachments. This is a disk made up of EN31 material, and this is arm, and this is LVDT, and this will sense frictional force. What friction will be there, that it will sense. Now here how to conduct experiment. Here we have digital monitor. Now in this on this disk we are going to mount a specimen like this, as if this pin is the specimen. This we are mounting like this vertically. On this specimen we are going to apply load. Then it will rotate continuously. This disk will be rotate. At that time, because of friction, it will wear out. That where we are getting what amount of material removing we are getting in this display. What friction will be there that time, that we can find out here. Then in which RPM disk rotating, that we can find out here. Till what time we have to keep on, that we have to set here. Now we are going to start experiment. First we have to choose specimen. Now 10 mm diameter of this specimen is chosen. Here 10 mm holder is there. Now we have to insert this specimen here. Then after that there is a block. You have to keep under this arm. Then press this specimen. Then by using this key we have to tight it. Tight it properly. Then you have to remove this block. Then behind this there is a hanger. You have to apply load in this hanger. Already we applied. Then after that, here we are going to set time. 5 minutes we set it. Then RPM, when you will run, it will show RPM. Then frictional force, by pressing this you have to make it 0. Compound wear, you have to make it 0. Then switch on start button. Here it will start rotate. Now slowly it starts wear out. Then here it will show what amount of material removing in microns we are getting frictional force. What is there? Then what RPM is there? You can take it from here. Then for every minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes, like that, 5 readings you can take and you can plot here.